Because when you think about it, we talked about kids, and kids I mean, they don't get excited about, a well-weeded lawn or a very neat concrete. They get excited about flowers, insects, bugs, that sort of thing. So if we could get, kids involved, I think this would really help educate adults as well, try to open their eyes to why those plants are important. And I started this project in November, and I've already been talking to a few councils in London, Bristol, because more and more councils are banning glyphosate. And those councils are going to need some help, to know how to manage those plants. So I've got an example here. This is a city in France, and they've actually encouraged, people to grow climbing plants and to let all the plants along the pavement grow. So even though you might be still weeding, the center of the pavement, along the walls, plants, they don't cause any problem. They're not going to lift the pavement or anything. So those are places where you can easily let them grow. And I've got a couple of other examples. So on the top here, you see an example where they've actually depaved along the wall. And then on the bottom left, this is, a strip in the middle of a main road where they've left the lawn or the grass to grow. On the top left, actually, is an example in tree pits. And this is another one. In so many cities in the UK, you'll see those yellow tree pits because all the plants have been sprayed with glyphosate. And I think it'd be so much nicer if our white flora was allowed to grow, because it supports, caterpillars, birds when there are seeds and that sort of thing. And I just want to finish by showing you on the bottom right what the French are doing, which is chalking plants. So a couple of French botanists have been going around their cities writing plant names, so weed names, on their pavements. And this has, it's got a lot of publicity from media and all of that. Sadly, it's illegal in the UK. And there have been cases of kids fined because they were drawing, flowers and things like that with chalk. Even though chalk, goes with the rain, it's still illegal. But I have been discussing with a couple of the councils, and I'm pleased to say that some are allowing it now. And I'm going to be doing a few examples, to encourage people to ask their councils. I think it's such a nice way, to educate people and make them more visible somehow.